central Texas, northeastern Tarrant County in north central Texas, northwestern Dallas County in north central Texas, until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:08 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Keller, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is possible. Locations impacted include Dallas, Fort Worth, Arlington, Plano, Irving, Grand Prairie, Carrollton, Frisco, Louisville, Flower Mound, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Haltom City, Keller, Coppell, Hearst, The Colony, Farmers Branch, and Southlake. A tornado watch remains in effect until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time for north central Texas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.